In my previous video right here, I showed you guys how to whiten your teeth by using Photoshop. Well, what if you don't have Photoshop? Maybe you have PowerPoint? Well, I want to show you guys how to whiten your teeth by using the tool PowerPoint. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Let's go to Insert, Shapes, and we're gonna pick Scribble. All right, so now we're gonna start tracing this right here. And this might not be perfect, but if you have PowerPoint and this is all you got and you don't have Photoshop, this might work. So let's try and make this work. Gonna go around the teeth like so by using this scribble shape in PowerPoint. And don't worry if it's not perfect. I'll show you guys how to fix those lines if it doesn't work out well. And I'm guessing I'm probably gonna mess up with this. So we're just gonna keep going. And then over these teeth, and then we're going to close it up. All right, so this is what we ended up with. Now let's say I messed up a couple of my lines. I can go here to Format, Edit Shape, Edit Points, and this kind of looks like a nightmare. So here's how to avoid that nightmare. So if I actually group this, click on this shape right here, go to Format, Edit Shape, Edit Points, and now it's not going to look as bad. Basically, you can move around these points if you want, and hopefully when you are drawing this, there's not as many points for you, but I'm just gonna try to hover over these, any spots where it might be showing my white teeth. And okay, I'm gonna zoom back out, I'm gonna ungroup this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the image of my headshot first. So this is selected first, then I'm going to click the image right here. I'm going to go here to Format, Merge Shapes, and then I'm going to say Intersect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, Control C, undo what I just did, and now get rid of this shape, paste over my previous teeth. All right, that's looking lovely. Now what we can do is we can right click on this, go to Format Picture, and go over here to Picture Color and Picture Transparency and Picture Corrections. So we're just going to kind of play around with this and see if we can make these a little bit whiter by using PowerPoint. Okay, that's a little too strong. Let's not do that. All right, that's not looking good either. Let's try to do a fill, and we're going to just do a solid fill. Not looking too hot right now, but we're gonna keep going. So let's get rid of that fill. And let's try temperature. Okay, we got this. And maybe a little brightness. Okay. That actually looks great. So the main thing to focus on with that was temperature, a little bit of brightness. This is my temperature, this is my brightness, so if you want to take notes, feel free. I know your teeth are probably different than mine, so this might not actually work for yours, but give it a shot. And you know, that didn't take too long. That was a pretty easy tutorial. So this just proves that if you don't have Photoshop, you're kind of in a crunch, you need to whiten your teeth real quickly and easily, this is how to do it. So if you guys did like this fun and kind of creative video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. It's free to do, so please do that. Also, if you are interested in learning more about PowerPoint, I actually offer a course on Udemy. So there's going to be a link to that in the description below. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.